Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are going to make deviled strawberries. They are delicious and delightful and a great summer treat, or great treat anytime. It's a very simple recipe. You're going to need some fresh strawberries that I have here washed. You're going to need 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla, a half a cup of confectioner's sugar, and then you need some graham crackers that you're going to crush up and sprinkle on top. So I didn't have graham crackers, but I have these Teddy Grahams, and that worked perfect. So I just smushed them down, used my rolling pin here, and smoothed them all out. So I've got my graham cracker dust all ready to go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the tops off the strawberries, cut them in half. I got to move some of my Thanksgiving fall decorations so you can see here. Just kind of move all this stuff around. And we'll move our strawberries right on down. Now, I'm not going to put you through the agonizing pain of watching all these, but needless to say, all you're going to do is take your strawberries here, and you're going to cut the tops off. You're going to cut them in half. And if you have a melon baller, that works good. If not, you can just use a spoon. I have this cute little spoon right here I'm going to use. And all you want to do is scoop this inside out. I'm going to scoop it right into a bowl. And what you're doing is you're just making a hole for that cream cheese to go down in. So I'm going to do that to all of these strawberries. And just create a nice little spot right on down in there. And I'm going to set them aside for now. And I'll keep on going. Alright, so we have our strawberries hauled out here. So got them nice in there. We got them in that little thing. We're going to take 8 ounces of cream cheese. It can be in a container or it can be a block. I've had this sitting out for about an hour, so it's nice and softened. And we're just going to put that right in your mixer, in your mixing bowl. Just got to get it all down in there. And this bowl's a little big for this, but it's fine. I like to use this. So we're going to get that in there. We're going to add our teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to add a half a cup of confectionery sugar. Confectioner's sugar, confectionery sugar, however you want to say it. We're just going to whip this up right on in there. And my beater here. We're going to start this out slow because that's going to fly everywhere. We just want to mix this nice and smooth, and then we're going to transfer this into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. That's all nice and mixed up. We're going to transfer that right into a Ziploc bag. I don't have piping bags, but these work perfect. So we're just going to stick it all down in this bag, and then we're going to cut an end off of it so that we make our own piping bag. This stuff smells delicious. Fresh strawberries. I started filling this bag, and then I forgot. I actually have these little things to do it so that it doesn't make a mess and everything gets down in there and not on the seal. So that makes life easier. So we're just going to put all of this in here, like I've already said, but now that I have my little holder out, I just wanted to show you how easy that works without making a mess or getting on your seal line. We got it all down in our bag. We're just going to take our kitchen shears and just cut a little tip off of the edge so that we make like a nice piping bag. And then you're just going to fill these. I cut a little bit big of a hole, but you're just going to fill those right on up with that ooey gooey yummy cream cheese filling inside these strawberries. So we'll get that started and I'll be right back. Oh, look at those. They look delicious already. Now we just need to add our graham cracker dusting right on top. You can make these an adult version. When you mix up the inside filling, you can add some Bailey's Irish cream instead, and they would make them an alcohol version. You can put some chocolate chips on them, makes them a little less healthy. You can add just a chocolate drizzle. You can add some lemon juice and make them more zesty, more like a cream cheesecake version. So there's a lot of things you can do with these, and they're nice and refreshing. Once these are done, you're going to throw them in your refrigerator for about a half an hour before you eat them. And yeah, that's about it. All right, I'm going to have one of these. I don't know which one because they all look delicious, but just look at that. Those are so good. So the recipe will be down below. And thank you for watching as always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop any comments down below. Is there something that you would do to make these even better? Let us know. See y'all.